Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank account. To use WeChat Wallet without Chinese bank, you could follow these tips. Now, first thing first, there is no any alternative way of doing it so unless and until you contact the support team or the branch itself. So what you want to do is open up your WeChat application and log into your account. When you're logged in, go to the profile or the me session, and it's going to take you to the next field where you have to click on the settings option. Once you click the settings option, it's going to open up the help center page where you need to go ahead and click on send feedback. Once you click on send feedback, it's going to open up a page where you can actually go ahead and send your feedback, which means that you need to submit a request stating that you want to open up your WeChat account or use a WeChat account without a Chinese bank. So they should be able to provide you with some alternative solutions, so you need to do this procedure. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.